All right, so I wanted to do the same thing on this virus synth here because that has some cool sounds. I feel like we could find some cool pads on that. So we'll load up a MIDI track. All right, so that's port 6 for the MIDI. And now we need to make a stereo audio track to bring the audio back in. This is going to be virus. And that's going to come in on 7 and 8. Alright, we got it. Now let's find a cool sound. It's kind of a cool line. Just lower the velocity on some of these. Sort of a little more even. All right, so same thing. We're going to make a few loops of that and record it in. Here we go. Cool. All right, so let's try another virus sound. There was one I heard earlier on that I liked. Let's see. New MIDI track. We'll just mute this other virus MIDI. And that's out the Unitor 6. And then we got to make the stereo audio to come in. 7 and 8. Input enable. All right. I believe it was this one. Yeah, so I'll just do a G minor chord like that. We can put in our key too. Where is it? G minor. All right, so let's record that one in. This is just a single hit, so I can just record one of them. Oh, and the same thing, I got to line up the audio because we have the latency. So we'll just do that with the slip mode, put it back on grid, line it right up to the downbeat. Same thing with that other audio, except that's not going to be on a downbeat. That's going to be in the middle of a bar. So we can put the grid on quarters. And then same thing, go into the slip mode, trim it up, and grid it up. All right, so let's hear how this is sounding. Cool. So I actually want to filter that pad sound a little bit. I'm just going to use the Avid EQ for compatibility. Let's see. Right here. Oh no, right here. It's frequency or low pass filter.